If you like cheap games and softwares, let me rephrase that. If you like breeding, check out GVG Mall, link is in the description. Hey, what's up guys, so before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. I really didn't think you guys were gonna watch and support these non-comparison videos, but so far it's been great and I truly enjoy making them. Also, I made a Patreon. Don't really know how much people will be interested in this, but the link is in the description if you want to check it out. I'm still trying to figure out the benefits, so expect them to get better with time. If you want to support me and directly help my channel, this is the best way to do so. All the money will go towards improving the quality of my videos. So I didn't want to just make a video like best $500 gaming PC or something like that. Let's be honest, no one would actually buy that. I actually want to explain to you my way of building PCs when the budget is quite limited. Of course, the idea is to focus only on performance, especially gaming performance, since that's what people usually only care about, and choose parts accordingly. Screw the looks, RGB lighting, expensive cases and so on. Let's start with a GPU, which should definitely be your first priority when building any PC, and a CPU is a close second. So basically buy the cheapest CPU that can handle the GPU you're gonna pair it with. Which means you just have to do some research and make sure there won't be any significant bottlenecking. And that's the most important part of this. Now RAM. They used to be much more expensive, but I would still recommend buying just one 8GB stick and then upgrading later on with another stick. Ideally, you'd want to get a 3000 MHz one, but only if they aren't significantly more expensive. As for the motherboard, just buy the cheapest one that supports your CPU socket. That's about it. Then we have storage. I'd recommend buying a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive. Isn't the worst, isn't the best, but it's reliable. And what about an SSD? Well, it's really a great thing to have it in your PC, but remember, we're on a smaller budget here. The goal is to not spend a lot of money on parts that aren't gonna give us better performance in gaming. And an SSD only makes the loadings quicker. You can buy an SSD later on. Now the case. Well, just buy the cheapest one that supports your motherboard and GPU size. Airflow and cable management might not be very good, but it's saving of stuff like this that will allow you to spend more on a GPU and a CPU. Then there is a power supply, or PSU. Make sure that it has enough wattage to handle your hardware, and also I usually go for at least 80+ bronze certified one. But I don't really care about what brand it is, because these can get very expensive, and so far I've never had any problems with them. Don't worry, they won't fry your components or whatnot, as some people would say. And what about monitor, mouse, keyboard, headset and speakers? Well, all of these are very important for your gaming experience. You have two options. Spend as little money on these as possible and upgrade later on, or you can choose to spend more money on these for a better experience right away. But make sure you don't overspend, like buying a monitor with G-Sync or 4K resolution or some top-notch gaming keyboard and so on. I think you will have a far better experience, for example, gaming with a GTX 1660 Ti with a cheap keyboard than with 1660 with the most expensive gaming keyboard on the market. Also, if you don't have a Windows 10, you can get it for about $12 on the website from the intro of this video. By the way, if you don't know how to install all these components, please learn it. There are plenty of videos on YouTube, even I might make one in the future. It's not that hard and you really can't screw up anything, unless you want to, of course. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please let me know how you choose the hardware in the comments down below. Also feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content enough to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next one.